how to turn on filter all comments on your TikTok account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, then open it, and then when your TikTok is opening, you will just go here to your profile, then open your profile. After this, when your profile is opening, you will just go here to this three line at the top of the screen, then go to settings and privacy, and then go to privacy. After this, go to comments, and then filter all comments, turn on this option like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next.